Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel No Salesforce. Today we are going to learn how to create a first project in VS Code. So I open the Visual Studio where I want to create first Salesforce project. Okay, so there are some prerequisite before that. Before you create a Salesforce project. So basically, you want to install the Salesforce CLI first. I will create uh, one video on the to set up the Visual Studio. So for that, keep eye on my further videos. Okay, and then also you need to install this Salesforce extension pack. Okay, and here you can find the Salesforce extension like this Apex. Just here you will see the install button. Just click on that install button and it gets installed in this Visual Studio. So I already did it. So that's why you are able to see the uninstall and disable button. So let's come to main point here to create a project, Salesforce project. So for that, you can type Control Shift P, then type command SFTX create project with manifest. Here you can see the two options, create project and create project with manifest. So create project with manifest will create the standard package XML as well, which contains the Salesforce metadata. So I will go with create project with manifest. Okay, it's activating the extension. So yeah, I want to make it standard. I want to make it project is name is Salesforce project. Yeah, enter. So I want to store this in my E drive. Okay, here create project. Yeah, it gets created. Okay, yeah. Here, okay. Here in manifest, you can see the package XML. So create project with manifest option gives you the package XML file as well, and this package XML file contain the metadata. Okay, Mm, and these are the all the metadata things like Aura components, Apex classes, layouts, LWC components, objects. So this will create the project like this. Okay, in this way you can create the Salesforce project in VS Studio. In my further video, I will explain you how to connect your Salesforce. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.